Today's video, I want to show you guys how to pair the dz09 smartwatch over here. This is just a pairing guide, nothing with app. If you know the app for it to go with the iPhone 8, leave it in the comment section so others can see it. So let's just get to pairing. Now on your iPhone 8, you want to go to settings and enable your Bluetooth. So if you go to settings, you'll come across this menu here, and then you go to Bluetooth and you power it on, okay? As you power it on, it's going to search for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. Let's head over to your smartwatch. Ignore any noise you hear in the background because we have lots of construction going around. So go to menu on your smartwatch, and then we're going to browse across until we get to the Bluetooth icon over here, this guy right here. So tap on it one time. Now you'll see power, visibility, and search new device. So first press power one time, and then it'll say switching. Then it's going to say on over here. Now select visibility one time as well, and it's going to go to on. Now whatever it says underneath visibility here, meaning it's what it is. So right now it's on. If you tap on it again, it'll go off. Keep the visibility on until you get this thing paired. The next step is to search new device. So it'll be underneath visibility. So tap on search new device, and then you're going to select right up here where it says search new device again. So it's going to say searching, and by now you'll see iPhone on your smartwatch as well as dz09 on your phone as well. Okay, so as you select pair and tap on dz09, it'll ask if you want to accept it or pair it. You're just going to select yes. So pair, yes, yes. And it's going to say iPhone connected, dz09 connected, and that is basically it. So remember, you can only use the basic features with this, nothing too fancy. I'm not sure of any apps up to now. If anyone does know, leave it in the comments section so the other people could see it. And that's basically it for the video. So thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe. See ya.